Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have completed product part of inventory management system project. If you have not seen that video, just go to description and check out the link. So in this video, we are going to work on customer part. So let us start with that. Let me log out and let me close this application. And after that here, we have to create a new JFrame form. So click on new JFrame form. And here we have to write manage customer, and then we have to click on finish. It will create a new JFrame form. Here you can see, and after that we have to increase the size of this form to 850, 600, and then we have to click on OK. After that here we need to put a label and just rename this as manage customer, and after that we have to increase the size of this one, so let's make it as bold 12, and this one will be impact 36, sorry, and click on OK and close this, and let's put in the center of this page. Okay, after that here we need to remove min max close button, so just scroll it over here and you can see undecoded, click on it, close this. After that we also want to generate an event, so event component show event. This will be used for loading the data in our table. After that here we need to place a table, so just drag and drop the table one here, and after that here let me decrease the size of this one a little bit. Okay, and after that we have to go to the table content and we need to remove the raw, so we have to remove all the raw, and then we have to change the name here. So here the first will be for ID, and after that name, and after name the next will be for mobile number. After mobile number the next will be for email, and then we have to click on close. You can see this one's created. Now at right side we have to put the labels as well as fields to get the data. So here we have to first write name, and after that here we need to place a text field, and after that we again need here a label. So this label is for mobile number, and then we need here text field, and then again we need here this one for email, and here we need text field, so let's place it over here, and then we have to select all these fields, and then we are going to make it as bold 12, so just select all this one bold 12. Okay, close this. In the same way we also need to do the same for the labels, so select this one and make it as bold 12. Okay, close it. After that here we need to increase the size of this one to the max of this form and remove the text from these fields one by one, and okay, so we also need to increase the size this one, and also drag and drop this one and remove the text. Okay, after that here we need to put buttons for like save, update, and those. So after that next more button for update, and after that the next button is for reset, and the last button that will be to close the form. So here we just need to write close, and let me drag a little bit these buttons over here, and then we are going to select all these buttons and we are going to make it as bold 12 and 12. Okay, and close this one. After that here we just need to change the labels name, so txt name and txt mobile number, and then we have to change this ones to txt email. Click on OK, and here we need to change btn save button, and change this one to btn update button, and then btn set button, reset button, btn reset button, and then here we need to change btn close button click on OK. After that, we need to change the label of this one, so table, and here we have to just write customer and click on OK. After that, save this page and just change layout to absolute layout. After that, we are going to put a label over here, and I'm going to properties of this label, and I'm going to select this one, all page background, and place it perfectly on this form. Double click on this form and just remove this one label. And after that, here we need to go to the source of this file, and first we need to create a variable that we are going to use over here. So private int customer pk is equals to 0. Okay, and after that we are going to set the location, and here set location relative to null. And after that, here we have to write private boolean validate fields, and inside this one we need to write if txt name get text dot equals blank, you can say, and we can add and this one, and we just need to change this one to mobile number, and here we also need to change, and after mobile number the last will be txt email address. Okay, after that, here we need to, in this condition, we need to just return false, and in else condition we have to return true, and here just format this one, format, and save this. After this, we need to create the table in our database. So I'm going to go into table.java file, and here first we are going to copy this part of the code, and then we need to comment this one. So just comment this one and go to the next line of this one, and here first I'm going to close this brackets, so double quotes, and one more bracket will be there, and then this like this. Okay, and okay, so bracket should be inside here, and here we are going to change this one. Let me minimize this one also, and here first we need to write a customer, and here we also need to write customer pk, so customer pk, and it should be auto increment primary key. After that, here we have to write name varchar, and it should be of 200 length, and after that we have to write here mobile number, and here varchar, and let's say make it as 50, and after that we have to store email, so varchar, and just write here 200. Okay, after that save this. Let me show you the complete query. Create table customer pk int auto increment primary key, after that name varchar 200, mobile number varchar 50, and email varchar 200. Okay, after that we have to just format this one and then save this, and then we are going to run this file. So it will create a database. You can see table created successfully. So after that we have to go to the, again get back to the manage customer.java file, and then we have to go to the form component.show event, this over here, and here we have to call default table model, this one, and here we have to just write model, and this one we are expecting, we need to pass default table model, this one, and here we are going to call the table.customer.get model. Okay, let me scroll a little bit left, and here we have to write try catch block, and here we have to just write exception, and we just need to display the exception. So here we have to just write joption pan dot show message component null, and then we have to just write here e. Let me scroll a little bit, And in the try block we have to create the connections, and so connection. Okay, so we need to import it from import java.sql.asterisk. Save this and get back to the here, and now we are getting option. After that, con dot equals connection provider this one DAO, and dot get connection con method, and then we want to execute the statement. So statement st equals to con dot create statement, and after that result set we need to store the data, and st dot execute query, and in this we need to just write select star from customer and put semicolon at the end and while loop, and here we have to just write rs.next, and in this we just need to write like this here, and model dot add raw, and here we have to just write new object, and after that curly bracket, and then we have to write st dot get string, and here we have to just write customer underscore pk, and after that rs dot get string, and the next will be for name. After that rs dot get string. Okay, and it should be for mobile number, and rs dot get string, and this will be for email. Okay, and then save this. Let me show you. Let me format this one also and save this. rs dot get string for customer pk, name, mobile number, and email. Okay, so after that here outside of try catch block, and then we have to disable the button for update or set enable, and here just need to write false. Save this. After that we need to go to the design, and we need to generate the event for this one. So for the close, so set visible, and here just need to write false, and go to the design, reset, click on it, and here we have to just write set visible false, and the new visible will be manage customer dot set visible true, and save this. After that we need to go to the save button, and we need to write the code for this, and the string name is equals to txt name dot get text string, and here we have to write mobile number and txt mobile number dot get text, and after that the string email and email txt email dot get text, and if validation fields. Okay, and here we have to just write option pan dot show message dialog null, and here we just need to write here all fields are required, and here we have to just write else, and inside this one again we have to write try catch and exception, and here we have to write like, let me scroll a little bit, and here we have to just write option pan dot show message, and here we have to write null, and inside this one just need to pass e, and in try block we again need to create the connection. So connection con equals to connection provider, okay, and dot get con method, and then prepared statement ps equals to con dot prepared statement, this one, and inside this one we have to just pass the whatever the query. So here I'm going to write here insert into customer, and here we have to just write name and mobile number and after that email and values, and here we have to pass the question mark 1, 2 and 3 times. Okay, let me scroll this little bit and insert into customer name, mobile number, email. So these three values we need to pass. Okay, and here dynamically value we need to pass dynamically, and set string we have to write like this. Set a string 1, and here we have to just write name ps dot set string, and here we have to just write 2, and then we have to write mobile number. After that ps dot set string 3, and here we have to just write email. After that, here we have to just write ps dot execute update, this one, and then we have to just show the message, so message null, and here we have to just write customer added successfully, and then we have to hide and show this one, so just false, and new visual will be the same page. So manage customer dot set visible is equals to true. Save this. After that we have to go to the design, then we have to generate event for this one form. So just click on event, and here we have to go to the mouse click event for the table. You can see table customer mouse click event is there, and inside this one we want to get the value. So here we have to just write index and table customer dot get selected raw, and table model, and here we have to just write model, and then we have to write table customer dot and get model, and after that here we are going to first get the ID. So we just need to write a model dot get value at index, and here we have to just pass the first column we want to get and to be string type, and then customer pk is there. In that we are going to pass the integer dot parse int, and then we have to just pass the ID. Okay, after that here string name is equals to model dot get value, and here we have to just write to string and txt name dot set text name, and after that is string mobile number is equals to model dot get values at index, and here we have to just set to 2 dot to string and txt mobile number, this one dot set text, and here we have to just write mobile number, and after that is string email and model dot get value, and then we have to just write here 3 dot to string. Let me scroll a little bit, and txt email dot set text email, and after that here we have to write button save button dot set enable, and here we have to just write false btn update button dot set enable, and here we have to just set it to true. After that here we just need to copy, we need to generate the update event first, and then we are going to copy paste the code from this event, save event, and just see copy update in the update event. Let me format this one, save this. After that, till this part the code will be same. After that we have to update this one. So here we just need to write remove this one part, and here we have to just write update customer set name equals to question mark, then mobile number, and after that email, where customer underscore pk, and then we have to pass the question mark. Okay, after that here we have to name, and here mobile number, email will be same. Then we have to pass the ps dot set int, then we have to pass the customer pk. So here we have to just write customer pk, and then we have to just change the message. So here just write here updated, and others code will be exactly same. So just save this. Now it's time to connect this page with our home page. So just go to the home page, design, and double click on customer, and here we have to just write new manage customer dot set visible, and here we have to just write it true. Now I'm going to start with the home page. I'm going to run this file, and I'm going to click on our customer, and you can see page has been opened. Now it's time to test it. So test, or we can write customer 1, and I'm going to enter the contact number, so 00001, and customer1@test email.com. I'm going to click on save. You can see customer added successfully. If I click on OK, you can see the message. After that, you can see the data. Here you can see the ID. Here you can see the mobile number, and after that you can see the email address is there. So all these informations you can see right now. After that, I want to update this one, so I just need to click on it. I'm going to want to change this one is 2. I want to change it to, and here also want to change this to. After that, I'm trying to update it. Customer updated successfully. If I click on OK, you can see all the values has been changed. If I click on reset, it also getting reset. Let me do some changes. Reset, it's also working fine. If I click on close, it will also going to close. Let me also try. Okay, so this is all related like manage customer part. You can see everything is working as expected. So I hope you guys like this video. So please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.